Okay, now this n here can apply to the a and the n can apply to the b. So you'll end up with n applying to a and n applying to b. This is another property. We can split this division problem with an exponent on the outside, split it into two terms, okay, with a top and a bottom. So the n applies to the a, the n applies to the b. Now if it's minus, the minus says use the reciprocal of that, doesn't it? So the reciprocal of a over b is b over a, okay, and now the n applies to the b and the n applies to the a. So when you have a negative exponent, you're going to use the reciprocal. Okay, so that's the 3 applies to the x to the 4th. You're going to go 3 times 4, you're going to write what? And then you're going to have 4 cubed, aren't you? Okay? So 4 times 3 up here, and 4 cubed, 4 times 4 is 16, times 4 is 64. All right? So this 2 is going to apply to the 5. You're going to have 5 squared. You're going to have 2 times 4 will be 8. And you're going to have 2 times 3 will be 6. So the 2 applies to the numerator. The 2 applies to the denominator. You're going to end up with 5 squared. Okay. And then you take 4 times 2 and write 8. And then you write 3 times 2 and write 6. Of course, 5 squared is 25. So we're going to apply this negative sign here. It's going to give you the reciprocal of this. It's going to be a plus 2. You're going to use the reciprocal of that. Okay? So put the 6 on the top, the y cubed on the bottom, and then you're going to have 6 squared, and you're going to take 3 times 2 here, 3 times 2 for the bottom. You're going to have 6 squared is 36, and you're going to have y to the 6th power.